Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. In today's video, we're going to tackle a common issue many TCL TV owners face: how to access settings without a remote. Whether you've lost your remote or it's just not working, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Using the buttons on your TCL TV. First, locate the control buttons on your TCL TV. Typically, these are located on the bottom or side of the TV. Look for buttons like Menu, Volume Up-Down, Channel Up-Down, and sometimes an OK or Select button. Step 2. Accessing the menu. To access the Settings menu, press the Menu button on your TCL TV. This should bring up the main menu on your screen. Step 3. Navigating through the menu. Use the Channel Up-Down and Volume Up-Down buttons to navigate through the menu options. Scroll until you find the Settings option. Step 4. Selecting Settings. Once you've highlighted Settings using the navigation buttons, press the OK or Select button to enter the Settings menu. Step 5. Making adjustments. Inside the Settings menu, you can make adjustments to various aspects of your TV, such as picture settings, audio settings, network settings, and more. Navigate through the options using the same navigation buttons. Conclusion. And there you have it. You've successfully accessed the settings on your TCL TV without using the remote. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. If you have any questions or other topics you'd like us to cover, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.